RTA opens Phase 2 of Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed corridor. In line with the directives of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, the Roads and Transport Authority (RTA) has opened Phase 2 of Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Corridor Improvement Project. Construction completed includes the opening of the intersection of Nad Al Hamar Road with Ras Al Khor Road intersection by providing a free detour to the left for traffic from Nad Al Hamar Road towards Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road through the construction of a two-lane flyover stretching 988 meters. The project also included completion of construction of another two-lane flyover extending 115 meters to ensure a smooth flow of traffic from Nad Al Hamar Road to Ras Al Khor in the direction of the Dubai-Al Ain Road, along with a two-lane underpass spanning 368 meters to enable a right turn for motorists coming from Ras Al Khor Road and heading to Nad Al Hamar. Works will also include improving the intersection and widening the existing turns. The project will step up the capacity of the intersection to 30,000 vehicles per hour. Phase 1 of the project, which RTA had already completed, was marked by the opening of a two-lane flyover extending 990 meters to serve traffic from the Creek Harbour project and heading to Ras Al Khor Road with a capacity of 3,100 vehicles per hour. It also included widening Ras Al Khor Road from 3 to 4 lanes in each direction and constructing a two-lane service road on both sides and several bridges, besides developing the western entrance of Dubai Creek Harbour through a 3-lane bridge and a new road extending 1.5 kilometers comprised of 4 lanes in each direction. RTA had also constructed entry and exit points to ease the accessibility of the newly developed areas. Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Corridor serves several developmental projects inhabited by more than 650,000 residents.